Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to find your Instagram username and password, so let's get started. To find your username is very simple. Just go to the bottom right-hand corner and click on your profile photo. Once you are on your profile, you can see at the top left corner your username will be displayed. Now finding your password is much more tricky. Instagram doesn't outwardly give you your password because that would be a security issue. So, let me show you what to do. Go to the top right and click on the three horizontal lines, then go to Settings, then Password and Security. Click on Saved Login Info. Make sure this is toggled on, that way you won't have to remember your password to log in your account. Now go to Change Password. As you see, there is no option to see your password, but I can help with that. Now head out of Instagram and go to your phone settings. Scroll down until you see Google, then click on Manage your Google account. Scroll across to Security. Then scroll down to Password Manager, click on it, and you should see your Instagram account if you have saved a password to Google Password Manager. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, share and leave a like on the video.